All right, mate. Let's look at Algo here. Overall, I like it. The only kind of issue that I might have with it at this point is these patterns can often break down before making that move up. So really need to see, and this is a weekly chart, by the way. So we need to see how it opens up on a new week. These are all weekly candles. You can see there's 3-4 dojis in a row. There's a big move coming. There's definitely a big move coming, and I think I would like to see a stop hunt of these lows, and then the real move. That would be ideal. Well, definitely, it's not a definite, but that's what I like. You can see I've got my alarm already set down here. So far, it's not been hit. You can see the 2-week chart here has got this sort of doji. The last time, well, we had one of these dojis was either here or here, or I suppose in here, as you can see. And then afterwards, after we got these sort of dojis, the price continued up. You can see the doji here, the price continued up, and the doji here, the price had continued up. So I think that, and this is 2 weekly dojis in a row. So I think we need to be on high alert. Maybe it just opens up and does this. There might be a very small wick to the downside. So it is on high alert for a new week. I think, well, there will be some sort of downside. Ideally, it would be something like this, where you get a very minimal downside and flip green. As soon as that flips green on a 2-week, after a small dip, then you look to buy that and put your stop below the 2-week candle, and you hold it for the entire 2 weeks, or at least close to it. Because if this is going to break up, the chances are that it's going to break up over the period of 2 weeks. And if you're in it early at the start, well, you can try and hold that position and see where it can go. If it is red, then obviously we just wait. We wait and have patience.